I'm trying something different today. One of the images on this stone is a cave lion attacking a baby elephant. And when the stone is turned this way, there's horses. This one is the easiest to see. But there's also one sort of behind it. And on this side is a human image. There's another elephant right here. There's the eyes, the ears. Its trunk is actually part of the, it stops right there, a little mark. Its trunk is part of the arm of this cave lion. There's an elephant right here and right here. This is a bird. The head and the beak is right here, and the eye is right there. One wing comes up this way and comes back to here. The other wing comes up to here and comes back right through here. And the tail of this bird, the fan tail, is just right here. There's the tail, the head of the bird, wing, wing. There's an angry looking human face to the left. Seems to be a moon shape made here. There's a definite drill mark right here. There's also an angry looking face from the front. A lot of interesting art on this stone, which is a anvil. And what I find kind of fascinating is that this awesome piece of art is an anvil. It has the type of wear that shows that it has been used as an anvil, and it fits super solid for an anvil. These are anvils, and they have that type of wear and the way they set that shows that they were used in that position and things were hammered on them. This one shows residue, and this shows residue. It fits in the hand perfectly as possibly a nutting stone, but I'm sure those folks ground up more than just nuts. But it just seems to have... Anyway, I'm finding that even the most incredible art was put on their tools.